struggling with poor memory, lack of focus, fear, or difficulty in speech and learning? Here's the solution. Chanting Om Ain Saraswatyay Namaha invokes Goddess Saraswati, who grants wisdom, sharp memory, clarity of speech, confidence, and calm intelligence. Meaning of the mantra Om Ain Saraswatyay Namaha. Om, universal vibration, opening divine consciousness. Aim, Bija mantra of Saraswati, symbol of wisdom, clarity, and learning. Saraswatyay, to Goddess Saraswati, the source of knowledge, music, and intelligence. Namaha. With reverence, I offer salutations. Now, chant along with me. Om Aim Saraswatyay Namaha. 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 Om Aim Saraswatyay Namaha.